Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 2, Chapter 4.1 Notes, Part 1. Today we are talking about the coordinate plane. Our learning target today is to be able to plot points on a coordinate plane and identify what quadrants they're in. We're going to be going through a lot of vocabulary today, so I hope you're going to be paying attention and make sure to write everything down. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is the coordinate plane. And the coordinate plane is whenever you see this type of graph, okay? We've got two number lines that are put together, and those number lines are going horizontal and vertical. Now, oops, the first one we're going to talk about is the x axis. Okay, and the x-axis is the horizontal axis, and that's the one that's going from left to right. Okay. The next one we're going to talk about is the y-axis. And the y-axis is the vertical axis. That's the one that's going up and down. Okay? Now, the next two things we need to know are an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a point, okay? And that point has an x number and a y, and it kind of tells us where to go. And right in the middle, the ordered pair, the origin is 0, 0. So 0, 0, boom, right there where everything comes together. Now, the points kind of tell us which direction to go. So when we move to the right, x is positive. If you move to the left, x is negative. Okay, and same thing with the y. When you move up, y is a positive number. If you move down, y is a negative number. Let's go through plotting some points so we can get some practice. Okay, now I think it's good when we're starting off just to remember that x is positive up here, y is positive over there, over here, and here. X is negative, y is negative. So let's take a look. Where is point A? Now, we're going to start at the origin. And first, we need to go, our x tells us to go right or left. Our y tells us to go up or down. So first, we're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and then we have to go up 2. So our point is 7, 2. Next is B. Now, we have to go to the left first, which means that's a negative number. So we're going -3 over, and then count how many up. That's 5. Now, if you're asking yourself what these dotted lines are right here, right in the middle, those are your quick counts, and those go to 5. Okay? So let's look at C. C is over here. You got to go to the right first. 5, 6, so positive 6. But now we have to go down 1, 2, 3. Are you guys starting to get a hang of this? All right, D, we have to go 1 to the left. That's -1. And then we have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going down, so that's negative. All right. And E. We have to go to the left, so that's -5, 6, 7, -8. And did we go up or down? No, so it's 0. All right, try these on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, and let's see how you do. All right, how'd you guys do? Just remember that point H right here You did not go left or right, so that's why that first number is 0. All right, let's go ahead and flip it over. Now, if you notice that the x and y axis, those kind of put everything into 4 parts. Those 4 parts are called quadrants, okay? Some of you guys might know that the word quad means 4, okay? And when we're labeling those 4 parts, this is how they're numbered. This is our first quadrant, our second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant, okay? So now what this is telling us is that we need to plot each of the points and then say what quadrant is it in. So just remember, I'm going to write the quadrants up here. And now let's go through this. So we have to plot the points. K is 3, negative 5. So I'm going to go over 3. Then we have to go down negative 5. That's K, and that's in the fourth quadrant. All right, the next one, negative 4 and 3 over 2. What the heck's 3 over 2? So let's take a look. This is saying 3 divided by 2. We have to figure out exactly where that is. So does 2 go into 3? Yeah, it goes in there 1 time. 1 remainder 1. Oh, we don't do remainders here. Okay, so what you have to do now is add the decimal, bring it up, add a 0, drop it down. 2 goes into 10, 5 times. So this is saying 1.5. Let's find out where point L really is. It's negative 4 and then 1.5. So it's kind of right in the middle. And then we're going to write down what letter it is. And then that is in the second quadrant. All right, point M. Ooh, another fraction, 7 over 4. So we're going to do the same thing. 7 goes inside. There's the 4. 4 goes into 7 1 time. Subtract. Add the decimal. Bring it down. 4 goes into 30. I'd say 7 times, which gives you 28. Oh, we're not done, so we have to add another 0. And 4 goes into 20 exactly 5 times. So that number is really 1.75. So 1.75 is right around here. Then we're going to go up 2 and just do your best job where it goes. That's M, and that's in quadrant 1. Woo. Okay. N and O, a little bit easier points. N is 0, negative 8. Ooh, but is that in a quadrant? No. Okay. None. Okay, we would say that that is on the y-axis. All right, and point O, negative 9, negative 6, negative 9, negative 6, and that is in the fourth quadrant. Okay? Go ahead and try those on your own. Pause the video and let's see how you guys do. All right, and there you go. Now when you, 7, 1/2, hopefully you guys know that 1/2 is the same thing as 0.5. And then when you divided negative 9 over 2 over here, you get negative 4.5. All right, well that's it for Algebra 2, Chapter 4.1 Notes, Part 1. If you have any questions, please come see Ms. Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Otherwise, thanks for watching.